They'll just get hit with a bunch of dust.
But will they get caught?
No, they'll be all right.
Can they walk out?
Yeah, it's not that bad. It's just very dusty and windy.
But why is this all this dust up there?
I don't know. Oh!
What?
Look over out Truett's window. Wow. Oh, it's coming. Oh,
It's not?
I don't know. Maybe.